Table of 500 Normal V's Advanced English Vocabulary Words. Please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to press bell icon. The Intelligent Student. Senior. No normal vocabulary words. Advanced vocabulary words. 1. Noisy raucous. 2. Quiet serene. 3. Dark obscure. 4. Light luminous. 5. Big colossal. 6. Small diminutive. 7. Child adolescent. 8. Adult mature. 9. Day diurnal. 10. Night nocturnal. 11. Love adoration. 12. Hate abhorrence. 13. Win triumph. 14. Lose defeat. 15. Eat consume. 16. Drink imbibe. 17. Talk converse. 18. Quiet hush. 19. Walk stroll. 20. Run sprint. 21. See perceive. 22. Look gaze. 23. Say utter. 24. Think ponder. 25. Feel perceive. 26. Get acquire. 27. Give bestow. 28. Have possess. 29. Make fabricate. 30. Break shatter. 31. Stop halt. 32. Continue persevere. 33. Go proceed. 34. Show demonstrate. 35. Hide conceal. 36. Find discover. 37. Lose misplace. 38. Live exist. 39. Die perish. 40. Sleep slumber. 41. Wake awaken. 42. Buy purchase. 43. Sell vend. 44. Use utilize. 45. Help assist. 46. Hurt injure. 47. Tell narrate. 48. Ask inquire. 49. Leave depart. 50. Come arrive. 500 Daily Used Normal V's Advanced English Vocabulary Words. Please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to press bell icon. The Intelligent Student. Senior. No normal vocabulary words. Advanced vocabulary words. 51. Poor impoverished. 52. Strong vigorous. 53. Weak feeble. 54. Talkative loquacious. 55. Quiet taciturn. 56. Big gigantic. 57. Small petite. 58. Childish infantile. 59. Mature sophisticated. 60. Get married tie a knot. 61. Very rarely once in a blue moon. 62. Secret under wraps. 63. Lucky jammy. 64. Wasting time faffing around. 65. Meat catch up. 66. Weak feeble. 67. Intelligent profound. 68. Strong indomitable. 69. Stupid imbecilic. 70. Excellent superb. 71. Hungry starving. 72. Very happy over the moon. 73. Very busy swamped. 74. Angry pissed off. 75. Very tired exhausted. 76. Fell asleep nodded off. 77. Very cold freezing. 78. Hurry up chop chop. 79. Good luck break a leg. 80. Open unveil. 81. Close seal. 82. Win prevail. 83. Lose surrender. 84. Like admire. 85. Dislike abhor. 86. Happy content. 87. Sad despondent. 88. Rich opulent. 89. Selfish rapacious. 90. Generous magnanimous. 91. Cold frigid. 92. Hot scorching. 93. Dirty filthy. 94. Clean pristine. 95. Tired fatigued. 96. Rich wealthy. 97. Dry arid. 98. Wet moist. 99. Lazy indolent. 100. Busy industrious. Public please support me. 500 Daily Used Normal V's Advanced English Vocabulary Words. Please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to press bell icon. The Intelligent Student. Senior. No normal vocabulary words. Advanced vocabulary words. 101. Honest authentic. 102. Bored indifferent. 103. Begin commence. 104. End terminate. 105. Start initiate. 106. Hard difficult. 107. Easy facile. 108. Old elderly. 109. Young juvenile. 110. Big enormous. 111. Small minuscule. 112. Good excellent. 113. Bad deplorable. 114. Happy jubilant. 115. Sad melancholic. 116. Pretty beautiful. 117. Ugly unattractive. 118. Rich affluent. 119. Poor indigent. 120. Brave courageous. 121. Fearful apprehensive. 122. Fast expeditious. 123. Slow languid. 124. Smart intelligent. 125. Dumb inarticulate. 126. Terrible atrocious. 127. Read analyze. 128. Write compose. 129. Create fabricate. 130. Focus keep your eye. 131. Time to sleep hit the hay. 132. Keep quiet zip your lips. 133. Not difficult not a rocket science. 134. Get married tie a knot. 135. Fell asleep nodded off. 136. Very kind heart of gold. 137. Fat big. 138. Leave me alone give me a break. 139. Very rarely once in a blue moon. 140. How are you? How's it going? 141. Very tired worn out. 142. Fit and healthy fit as a fiddle. 143. Mad out of mind. 144. Text me hit me up. 145. Very beautiful gorgeous. 146. Eat food have a meal. 147. Scared cold feet. 148. Ask your question pick your brain. 149. Lazy couch potato. 150. Not sure on the fence. Please public support me.